So in this video, I wanted to show everyone how you change the tape in your Brother P-Touch label maker. And it's a pretty simple process, but it can be a little bit confusing the first time you do it. So we'll hop right into it. This is a very standard P-Touch. There's a bunch of different models and they can vary slightly, but a lot of them look like this. This one is called the PT-D400. It's a little bit older, but a lot of the newer models are essentially the same. Okay, so you're gonna have to open up that back plate. And it's pretty simple. You just wanna push this tab right here. It's plastic, you're just gonna push it and pull it away. It will open up, you'll see your batteries, and this right here that looks like a cassette tape, this is where the tape lives, that sticker roll lives. And what you wanna do to remove it is you're gonna get it, and you're gonna pull it straight out. There's a green thing here, there's a green thing here. So it can be a little bit confusing, and I've had a bunch of people ask how you do it and how you put it back. That's it, you just pull it straight out. You don't have to press any buttons or do any quick releases or anything like that. This one you pull straight out. Then you get your new tape. It'll look just like this. There'll just be some, more stuff inside. It might be branded with the same brand as your label maker. It might be a third-party brand if you just bought it off Amazon. Now you basically just want to line this up so that it looks like this image right here, and you could see right there. This arm is pointing this way. This kind of backwards C shape, whatever you want to call it, is reflective of how we have it here. So wider on this side or deeper on this side than it is on the other side. Basically, it looks just like this. And now you're going to place it so that the tape goes right here and it feeds up. If it were to follow this line, it would feed up through this hole here. This is where your cutter is, right in that green area right here. And then this crank piece is going in here in that green hole. So just line up the crank piece with the green hole, push it down, pop it in. There'll be a little pop sound right here. When you're removing it, you may have to get past that little piece right here, but you won't need to apply any pressure to it. It should just come straight up. When you're pushing it down, pop it down, close it until this is nice and firm, push it, turn it on, and it should print properly. Cut it, and you're good to go. And that's how you remove the tape from your Brother P-Touch label maker. Thanks for watching.